Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are reviewing the GAOY 16 ml Glassy Gel Top Coat and Base Coat Set, a product that's earning its reputation as the best nail concealer polish on the market. If you're a fan of DIY manicures or simply looking for long-lasting, professional quality nails at home, this product is worth your attention. The GAOY Glassy Gel Set comes with two 16 ml bottles, offering excellent value for your money. It includes both a top coat and a base coat, which are designed to work together flawlessly. These gel coats are perfect for achieving a high gloss finish, providing your nails with a sleek, shiny look that lasts. The top coat is not only glossy but also cures to a rock-hard, glass-like finish, ensuring your nails look immaculate for weeks. What makes this set stand out is its no-wipe foundation feature. This means after curing the base coat or top coat under a UV light for about 60 seconds, there is no need to wipe away any sticky residue. This feature makes the whole process more convenient and cleaner, saving you time. The minimal odor is another huge plus. Many nail products can be overwhelming in scent, but GAOY's formula adheres to strict standards, ensuring that the product is both effective and pleasant to use. Speaking of durability, this product is designed to provide a long-lasting manicure. Following the directions carefully can give you up to 4 weeks of wear without the need for touch-ups. It's ideal for those who want their nails to stay flawless for extended periods. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or simply want a set of nails that lasts, GAOY's Glassy Gel Top Coat and Base Coat Set is a must-have. The application process is straightforward. You start by buffing your nails, ensuring they are clean and dry before applying a thin layer of the base coat. After curing for 60 seconds under UV light, you follow up with your choice of gel polish, curing each layer for 60 seconds. Finish off with the top coat, and after one more round under the UV light, you have nails that shine and stay strong. With the GAOY Glassy Gel Set, you can achieve salon-quality results right at home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this easy-to-use set delivers professional results with a lasting finish. So if you're looking for the best nail concealer polish to elevate your nail game, this is the product to try. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews.